Hi, my name is Nathan Oliveira, and the two topics I chose were types of amnesia and the main parts in the brain involved with memory. The two mnemonic devices that I chose were acrostic and jingle. Um, I chose these two mnemonic devices because they made the most sense to me and they seemed very effective. Uh, the ones I created for them was I chose an acrostic poem for the types of amnesia, and I chose a song for the main parts in the brain involved with memory. I felt that these two would be very helpful to me because songs are very catchy and easy to memorize to me, repeating the songs. And also for the acrostic poem, a good visualization of something is also very effective in many different ways. And I feel that these would help me memorize these topics the quickest compared to all the other ones.